Features a spacious 37x37 padded area for comfortable play and parent peace of mind. Large, breathable mesh sides provide ventilation and visibility. Removable and machine washable mattress cover with colorful design. Lightweight at less than 18 pounds. And easy setup, no assembly required. Compact, push-button fold and convenient carry bag for on-the-go play. Top reviews from the United States. Just what was needed. We needed a smaller pack and play to use at our office. Has a small footprint for the space we're using it. Easy to set up. Seems sturdy. We're just getting out of the newborn stage, so all is good for now.